everyone, welcome to Cooking with the Sea Blooms. And today we're going to be making scrambled eggs, bacon, and toast. My trusted assistant here, Rachel, will be helping me out with today's breakfast. Now today we're going to start out with some plates. I don't know why, but we're going to start out with some plates. And some toast. Thank you. There's my trusty toaster. Would you like to do the honors of putting the toast into there? There you go. Thank you. That goes over there. And the options that you have is that you can put it on light toasted, like medium toasted, I guess you could say. Toasted and extra toasted, just in case you like your toast burnt. So right now I'm going to go for light toasted. And here we go. I'm playing it. Now let's start cooking our eggs. Can I have my egg? Eggs. Now we got our toast. That's enough for the microwave right now. Toaster. Now right now, I'm going to cook an egg. I put this here. I'm going to fry my egg. I'm going to slide that over to the side. And then I'm going to cook my waffle. I forgot to mention that there's a waffle, but there's a waffle. Can I have my waffle, please? And a plate. So here is my waffle. I haven't cooked it yet, so it's frozen. I'm going to put this into the microwave. Leave the plate to the side. And I need another plate. Here we go. My egg is all done. So I can go ahead and put this over there. And the spatula. Give me that. Now I need my toast. Your toast is there. No, it's not. It's over there. Wherever you put it. Over there. Go get it. Now I have to get my waffle. I've got to take it out of the microwave. I sound like Yogi Bear. And then I put it on there. There we go. Now let me get these. Thank you, Rachel. Welcome. I'm going to put these on the side of here. Now it's time to cook my bacon. Put these in the dishwasher. Now it's time to cook my bacon. Get the bacon, please. The bacon is this. Both. Thank you. And a plate. And the one has now I gotta fry my bacon. I don't know. Okay. My bacon is all done. So I put this on my plate. Throw that over there. Ugh, ow. right now. She's going to entertain you guys while I am getting the rest of the materials. Trusty assistant! Come on. I don't care. Oh, trusty assistant! Mommy. And there she is, my trusty assistant. What the heck, Rachel? And she's going to entertain you while I am getting some more materials. Be back in a sec. Stay there, entertainment. Say hi, everyone. Would you like to hear a joke? Hi, everyone. Would you like to hear a joke? Yeah! Hello. What? I have to tell a joke. What joke? Here's this funny story. Once, I want to tell you a sad story. Hi everyone, I'm going to tell you a sad story. Little Red Riding Hood went to cook some muffins for her Grammy, and she went to get and Red Riding Hood gave her muffins was walking to her Grammy's house and was giving her muffins. And she was going to her Grammy's house, and Big and Bad Wolf took her muffins. And we needed Golden Bear. And Golden Bear comes. And Golden Bear comes to get Granny's muffins back. And the end. Oh, let's do this. What you got? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now is here. Now back is Allison. And now back is Allison. Thank you, Rachel. And right now, I have to get our drinks. Cup. Here we go. And if you want, you can have some fruit in your breakfast. Fruit and vegetables. Now here you go, people. Here's a healthy breakfast for you and your family to make. Now, bye from Cooking with the Sea Blooms. Pop, pop. Wait.